Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to convert your Excel data into this powerful and interactive grant management dashboard in Power BI. Let's dive in. This grant management dashboard provides a centralized view of your grant lifecycle from pre-award to post-award, enabling better decision-making, efficient tracking, and timely actions. In the pre-award stage, you can see the current opportunities available and their corresponding grant amounts. You also get an overview of the number of proposals your organization is working on and their proposal values. This information is crucial for prioritizing efforts and resources effectively. Next, we have a pie chart showing the proposal numbers by their closing timeline. This allows you to focus on proposals with nearer closing dates, ensuring you meet deadlines efficiently. Beside the pie chart, there's a tree map providing further insights into the distribution of proposals by selected metrics such as priorities, status, or division from this drop-down list. This helps in understanding the allocation and progress of different proposals. At the bottom, a list of proposals displays details like proposal ID, name, grantor, proposal value, and closing date. Clicking on any proposal reveals more information on the right side, such as requester, approver, grantor in charge, estimated grant amount, award date, and status updates. This feature allows for easy review of individual proposal statuses and updates. There are 4 buttons labeled All, Education, Healthcare, and Technology in the middle of the dashboard. Clicking any of these buttons filters the entire dashboard to show all or only the selected division. This enables users to efficiently drill down and focus on specific areas. Switching to the award stage, the dashboard refreshes to show data relevant to submitted proposals and give emphasis on those pending acceptance. You can track which proposals are close to their award timelines using the pie chart, helping you stay on top of important deadlines. The tree map and list functionalities are similar to the pre-award stage, providing insights and detailed information on submitted proposals, helping you to monitor progress and prioritize actions. Finally, in the post-award stage, the dashboard shows the total number of grants, the number of active grants, and their corresponding amounts. The pie chart displays the number of grants by their expiry timelines, helping your organization manage renewals and expirations effectively. The tree map shows the number of grants by user-selected metrics, such as priority, status, or division. At the bottom, the list provides detailed grant information, and clicking on any grant populates the horizontal bar chart with budget data, including budget utilized, budget balance, and different budget categories. Above the bar chart, there are 2 quick indicators showing the program completion and the budget utilization percentages. These indicators provide a snapshot of your grant's progress and financial health, ensuring you stay on track with your goals and budget. Hovering over the info icon displays the grant administrator name, grant owner name, and finance in charge, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Similar to pre-award and award stage, you can use the buttons in the middle of the dashboard to quickly filter and focus on specific division. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let me show you how to make this dashboard yours in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. First, download the Power BI template and the Excel dataset from the link in the description below. It's completely free and easy to access. After downloading, extract them from the zip file as shown, and we are done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset. Before we delve into the Excel dataset, let's take a high-level look at the data structure. There are 12 Excel tables, grouped into 3 sets: basic tables, record tables, and transaction tables. The basic tables contain the basic info your organization uses to organize or categorize their grants, such as stage, status, priority, division, category. These only need to be set up once. The record tables contain data that your organization will maintain, such as staff records, grantor info, opportunity info, proposal data, grant data. These tables rarely change unless you add new record or revise existing data. The transaction tables contain transactional data that you need to update regularly, such as the plan info and actual spent. With these three set of tables, the dashboard integrates your Excel data into a dashboard that provides a centralized view of your grant lifecycle from pre-award to post-award. Alright, let's open the Excel file and do a quick walkthrough of the worksheets. The worksheets are color-coded to show the different sets: blue for the basic tables, green for the record tables, and yellow for the transaction tables. For the blue-coded worksheets, you can replace them with the data or info that your organization uses to organize the grant. For example, in the first worksheet, status, you can update them according to your reporting. Do take note that the status are linked to the grant cycle stage as shown at column C, using stage ID. Additionally, status ID 6 is reserved for proposals pending acceptance, which are highlighted in the award stage view of the dashboard. Moving on to the record tables in green, you need to replace these sample data with your own staff data, grantor data, opportunity, proposal, and grant data. I have included only the minimal fields required for this dashboard, but you may add columns if required. Finally, for the transaction tables, update these worksheets with your grant budget and spent data accordingly. The worksheets only required the grant ID, category ID, amount for either grant budget or actual spent, and the workload for either grant plan or actual completed. You may add columns if required too. With this, we are done with the Excel file. Step 3. Load your data to the BI template. Open the BI file in the PowerBI desktop. If you don't have PowerBI desktop yet, download it free from the Microsoft website. The link is in the description. For those interested in learning how to set up the buttons and use them to show different views or charts, I've created a time-lapse video. Click the link above to watch. Back to replacing the data file in PowerBI, click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. To adjust the data source settings, click on the Data Source Settings button at the top. Select the file shown and click on Change Source. Now press Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset. The BI file will auto-update the data from the new file. To exit the query view and load the data, go to the top left corner and hit Close and Apply. The BI file will start to load your data, so give it some time. And that's it. You now have a fully functional grant management dashboard that will help you stay on top of deadlines, budget utilization, and proposal statuses. Everything is already set up. Going forward, you just need to update the Excel worksheet and click the Refresh button at the top to update the dashboard. I hope you like this grant management dashboard template for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard template, check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.